I love when a piece of furniture seems to defy physics in some way. For the Halo cabinet, I wanted the legs to appear as if they were effortlessly holding the case, despite it being over 50 pounds of solid hard wood. The floating effect felt like a natural complement to the lofted tabletop, creating a sense of connection from top to bottom. To achieve this, I cut the notch in the leg while it was still square, giving my router base a solid reference. To enhance the weightless feel, I tapered the legs from bottom to top, creating balance and drawing the eye upward. I used a router jig mounted on wedge-shaped skids to gradually taper the leg on my lathe, reinforcing the illusion of lightness. I finished things off with a spokeshave to give handmade visual appeal to the piece.